Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a casting by Bburago. It's in 1/64 scale and it's a Ferrari. To be precise, it's SF90 Stradale Assetto Fiorano. Such a long name. Oof. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the SF90 Stradale Assetto Fiorano out of its box. You can see it has got some nice details. In that one look, you can see it has got some nicely detailed wheels, Ferrari logo on the side, Vents paint also looks nice, and I'm saying it. And it's also got suspension. You see, front and back. Yeah, good work, Bburago there. Since it is a special edition, not like casting with the actual white, based on. So that's why it has got special paint. So you see this white paint going into a very different stripe going from front to back, and the front end white and yellow strip in the bottom. Looks good. I mean, the paint looks good. You also got detailed headlamps. You got the detailed lower grille. You also got the Ferrari badge in the front, both the mirrors, and even the windscreen has got nice details. You can see windshield wipers and the black tape surrounding that. Looks good. Looks really good. Let's go to the side. Actually, the passenger side. We already talked about the driver's side. Looks almost identical. I don't see any major differences. But if you look closely here, this which I didn't show on the other side, you can see the vents there, which takes air to the back, I guess, where the engine is. And back is also nicely detailed. As you see, you got detailed tail lamp, exhaust pipes, brake lamps on the bottom, Ferrari logo, and a spoiler here too. This is how it looks from the top. Looks really good. And you can also see the interior. There are some good details in the interior too. This particular casting also comes with opening doors, so you can open both the doors and you can see inside. So overall, I think it's a really nice looking casting. Looks really good, has got some great details, and will go really well with the other Ferraris I have. Well, that's the thought from my side today, and let me know what you think about this casting. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.